Hey guys, and welcome back to HealthClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Smileasego Premium features are, what they offer, and how to use them. So let's get started. So the Smileasego Premium Denture are an at-home customizable denture set to include both upper and lower teeth. They're designed to be softened using warm water and molded into the shape of your mouth. Some of the features that Smiley's Go offers is basically indistinguishable from the natural teeth, high quality at affordable price, easy to clean and maintain, and use the last technology and material and restore the functions of chewing and taking and talking according to the websites. And of course, according to the websites, first of all, you'll have to unpack and inspect the receiving or the product that you receive, and you'll have to soften the denture for custom fit. You'll have to do that in a bowl of warm water. It should be around these temperatures right here. So from 70 to 80 Celsius and from 158 to 176 Fahrenheit. And you'll have to put it for 1 to 2 minutes to make it ready to mold. Then, of course, you'll have to mold it to your mouth shape. You'll have to carefully remove the denture from the water and shake off any excess moisture. And then you'll have to position the denture in your mouth, align it comfortably with your gums and teeth, and bite down gently but firmly for about 30 seconds to basically create your personalized fit. And you'll have to use your fingers to press and denture against your gum for any snug hold. Then you'll have to cool and set the denture. After molding, you'll have to remove the denture and rinse it in the cool water to solidify the shape. And once cooled, the denture will retain the custom fits, perfectly matching your mouth unique contours. And of course, if you want to adjust it if necessary, if the fit doesn't or isn't perfect, you can repeat these steps from 2 to 4 times until basically you achieve a comfortable and secure fit. The denture can be remolded multiple times without losing its durability. And lastly, you'll just have to enjoy your perfect tip fits. According to the website, as a pro tip for even better results, you'll have to practice speaking and chewing gently for the first few days to get accustomed to your new denture. Also, if you have any questions, they do have a frequently asked section at the bottom answering lots of the questions. If you have any of those questions, you can read the answer out from here. And of course, how to order, you'll need just to go and choose the style that you want, how many sets that you want, and click on add to cart or buy now. Once you do so, you'll be taken to the checkout experience, so make sure to enter your shipping information, payment information, and follow any other on-screen instructions. And of course, before explaining or before purchasing, just take some time to carefully review every information that you can see on the website, understand what you're getting, since at home dentures are different from dentures professionally designed to fit you by a dentist. So do your own research and consider speaking with a dental professional if you are unsure whether this type of products is appropriate for you. Also, as with any dental or oral health products, it's always a good idea to consult a dental doctor or dentist or other qualified dental professional before using it, especially if you have some existing dental problems or need some dentures for regular long-term use. Just make sure to follow the provided fitting instructions provided by the websites that we mentioned here and do your own research before purchasing. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.